Hey, how you doing? It's Economy Roofing. My name is Christa, and I spoke with Carol earlier today. So, Carol, if you're watching, hi. Thanks for your time earlier on the phone. I when I first pulled up the site and I saw this picture, it's the first thing that popped out to me. I love the picture on the front page. It's an obvious signal and message to your clients and customers of what you do. And also, I love how the number is at the top because I'm not sure if you have been on a website where it is the toughest thing to figure out how to contact this business. And so I love that the number is at the top. That makes it a lot easier, of course, for clients and customers to reach you. So yeah, absolute A plus on that. I absolutely love it. There are three key tips that I want to cover in this video. And it's information that I think is going to be insightful, helpful for you, and really help you guys to rank higher in the search engines and even outperform your competition. So you know the if there's business falling off on the sides or business that you should be getting that you're not getting, these three tips will help and act as almost like a magnet to attract more customers and clients to your site and to your business. So, the three key tips I want to cover are content, citations, and backlinks. And when we talk about content, that's pretty much anything we see on the front page. So, the words, the pictures as well. Most people don't consider the pictures to be content, but they are. And so, what the pictures are saved as and what's behind the pictures is also important. The reason that is that you want to make sure that you have enough keywords, key terms, and key phrases that potential clients are using when searching for the type of services you have to offer. And so, what I normally tell people is that search engines like Google, they love to see anywhere between 1,500 to 2,000, even upwards of 2,500 words on the front page. They love content. When it comes to Google, the amount of content, their rule is kind of the more the merrier. And like I said, keywords and key terms and key phrases in that content is really what is going to attract your clients and customers. And so that's the first tip. You guys have got some great content on the front page. I love these reviews right here. And so if you guys can manage to add more content with more keywords, then that will really boost your ranking in Google and it'll help you outperform your competition. The second thing I want to cover is something called citations. And citations are pretty simple to understand. If we go here in Google, I typed in roofers Vancouver, and you can use different search terms. It really doesn't matter. You just want to find something that's popular and that enough people are using so that it actually registers in Google's algorithms. And so, like, I typed in roofers in Vancouver, and the first thing that popped up was Cooper Roofing Vancouver. And so, I actually want to show you something about this company in a little bit that will really be informative for you guys, I hope. So, the first thing that popped up is Cooper Roofing Vancouver. And when I talk about a citation, I'm pretty much talking about the company name, the company phone number, and the company address in Google. And so we want to make sure that our citation listings across multiple online directories are as accurate as possible. We want to make sure that if a customer is going into Yelp, then they find the same information for our company that they would in Home Advisor or Yellow Pages. We want to make sure it's accurate because Google actually docks points and it can really affect your ranking in Google if the information is not accurate. And so we want to make sure that we have enough citations and even more citations than our competition to help us rank above them. So yeah, that's pretty much what I mean when I'm talking about citations. So the third and final tip that I'd love to leave with you is concerning something called backlinks. Now I'm gonna go into a software we use called Ahrefs, and I love Ahrefs because it's very accurate information. The closest accuracy I can find to Google itself. And so what I did was I just put your website, your web domain here in Ahrefs. And what I saw is that you have 199 backlinks, which is awesome, by the way. Way to go on that. You've got 35 referring domains giving you 199 backlinks. And we can, when I talk about backlinks, pretty much backlinks are just uh, links and platforms that are passing power back to your website online. So you can almost look at it as a digital or an online or an internet recommendation. So it is another site, it is another platform that is recommending your business. And so when we've got good, powerful backlinks, that really gives us a boost above our competition. And so I see here that your domain rating got a little bit tongue tied there. Your domain rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is a 0.6. And your URL rating on a scale of 1 to 100 is a 5. And I can even click here and see your keywords, and then it gets all nerdy. And but the one thing I want to point out is that when I looked up Ed's Economy Roofing and I saw the backlinks, like I said, Google is much like a popularity contest when they are deciding who is at the top and who is not. And so if we go over here, I put in, I remember I mentioned Cooper Roofing earlier. I was just curious. I wanted to see where they were, and they've actually got a fairly high domain rating. On a scale of 1 to 100 is a 15. On a scale of 1 to 100, URL rating is a 7. And look at this, they have 605 backlinks. You guys have 199. And they have 605. And so, which means it is a higher, they have more backlinks. And so that is one of the key reasons why they are ranking higher. And we can, if I were to click this, I could see, you know, what sites and what platforms are passing power back to theirs. And so, like I said, the goal is to have as many backlinks, if not more, than the competition. And so we want to get some really good, strong backlinks passing power back to Ed's Economy Roofing, so that when people type in roofing Vancouver or roofing Vancouver, Washington, that you guys pop up even above Cooper Roofing or another roofing company that may be currently higher up in the ranks. And that's catching a lot of that business that's coming in through online searches. And so that is pretty much the tips that I have for you. I hope this information was insightful. I hope it was helpful and valuable to you guys. And if you have any questions about anything I cover in the video, please feel free to reach out to me and ask whatever you like. I would love some feedback on the video if you guys can, and just let me know if it was helpful for you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your evening. All right, talk to you later. Bye bye.